Okay, so last week my dad was able to get this bass boat. It is a 1998 Triton, it's a Ranger, and he got it completely for free. But the guy left it sitting out, so like the bench got all rotten and everything. We're gonna replace all the carpets and then clean this up so it's like this shiny right here where the windshield was, and this is just darker. So last night we pulled the bench off so we could get the upholstery off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off so that we can get some more stuff done tonight. Okay, so I have it all ripped off around the edge and stuff. Like, it's not attached anymore, but I'm gonna need my dad's help tonight to like hold it and help me pull at the same time because I can't really reach both sides of it. But so far, I think the boat's starting to look pretty good. I do not understand that how when we pulled it up, there are so many dead leaves and junk underneath the seat. I think it's just because the guy left it just sitting out there, and that doesn't make sense to me because it would look in much better condition if he didn't do that. But I'm so happy we got a bass boat now, and it is so nice. So, yeah. Now we're gonna pressure wash the entire boat so we can wet sand it and get it ready for buffing. What?
You don't need the wood now. Tell me when the engine's clear.
It's clear.
Closer. Don't tell me I'm out of gas. No? Here.
Now we're gonna remove the panels so we can start taking all the carpet off. Done.
One to go.
Now I just gotta get the light bulb off. This is the hard one. I don't want to sit on the gas tank.
Yeah. Do you want me to start stripping carpet for you or wait for that?
I'll strip the carpet.
Okay.
I gotta like bend over the gas tank on the very edge.
Yeah.
I want it open.
Hard, you gotta pull up hard.
Ow.
It's got a latch on it, see?
Okay.
Hold this.
Yeah. It's only 6 screws down. There. That's done.
Okay.
You also cut a hole right there.
Do me a favor.
What?
Pull that hose up.
What hose?
See in the middle
Yeah.
that the drain line.
Oh, that's long. Oh, there, I got it. Ew, that is disgusting. I'll update you guys as we get more done on it.